Nowadays, we tend to use our brains more gladly than our muscles, and the workshop tools market reacted. We've got our tools. They are very reliable, you can do many around the house works, but they might also do a lot of damage. So today, I'll make sure you get it right. This is a 12V 1/4 inch 2-speed driver, the simplest from BAHCO offer. This is battery operated. So to charge it, you need to remove it. Then it comes with its own charging unit. So we've got the cord, we've got the charging unit. Now I need this one. So, as simple as that. You, maybe this side. You plug it in first. Then you snap it in. And now you've got time to feed your cat, kiss your children, watch a movie, things like that. So, how to use a power driver? I know. First of all, remember about safety precautions and do not mistake them for self-destruction. The best is to start with reading the manual. Read it once, read it twice, read it 3 times, how many times you need. And then you might find gloves somewhere in your back pocket. This is where I usually keep them. Okay. Take your glasses, put them on, and now I think you're ready to operate a driver. The main thing you need to know about the power screwdriver is that you can change a bit. So, you take one, you push it in, you wait until it clicks, and it's done. Shocking. First, adjust the setting. It's very important. It depends on whether you want to sink the screw into the material, deep or not that much. So, it's on first setting. I will tighten it, and it should start clicking when it's almost done. Okay, that's it, probably. So, when I want to sink it deeper, when I want to tighten it, I just set the setting up to number 9. Let's be dangerous today. And you try until it comes out. You can start with the lowest to the middle one, and then if you want to be braver, you can adjust higher. In general, lightweight electric screwdriver can be used with light screwdriving tasks as it uses less power and is equipped with lower voltage motor. But this one, the bigger one, the massive one, is a cordless drill, which is difficult to say, or drill driver, and you can use it for heavy-duty tasks like screwing into hardwood. It's fascinating. The most basic types of those tools are battery-operated screwdrivers and drill drivers. They are first and foremost used and designed for warehouse work and installation, including maintenance, but depending on the mode you have here, so like screwing, oh God, or drilling, you can use them as you wish. Surprisingly, I found a few more features of this machine. So, the first one is the light here under. The second is this button, which indicates the speed. So it can be low, it can be high. Whether high or low, it depends on you. Well, it's like your preferences. This is not my problem. And the third one is this. It is the direction of rotation button. So remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Okay, righty-tighty. Here it goes. And now lefty-loosey. Contrary to what you might expect, the battery screwdriver is designed not to just screw things firmly. For this, you can use a simpler tool. But the main idea of this one is just to streamline the screwing process, okay? And in turn, it speeds up disassembling and assembling some of your components. But that one is a driver with a hammer force. So if you need to do anything harder, that's the one. But remember, you can't fix everything with a hammer. It's not a hammer, but this is a hammer. Do you see the difference? Like it or not, make sure you subscribe. The next are coming. If you need more information, read the description below and have fun!